Welcome to Finance Hustlers, and where we give it to you straight, no fluff, just actionable strategies to build real wealth. If you're a man looking to level up your finances, listen up. Today, I'm breaking down 3 critical money moves every man should make in his 20s and 30s. 1, stop wasting money on crap you don't need. First things first, stop wasting money on things that don't bring value. You know what I'm talking about? Daily takeouts, the latest gadgets, or overpriced drinks. Cut that out. Reassess your spending and cut the fat. Every dollar you save here is a dollar you can invest. Start tracking your expenses and make sure your money is going where it should, man, into building your future. 2, start investing yesterday. Time in the market beats timing the market. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound growth. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs if you're a beginner, and automate those investments so you're putting money to work every month without thinking about it, got more risk tolerance. Consider a small percentage in high-growth stocks or even crypto, but only if you got the basics covered first. 3, develop multiple streams of income. Relying on one income stream is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. Get a side hustle, start an online business, learn a high income skill, do whatever it takes to create additional revenue streams, whether it's freelance work, investing in real estate, or flipping products. You need to build layers to your income. This isn't optional, it's mandatory if you want to achieve financial freedom. There you have it. 3 moves to start building real wealth today. If you want more no BS financial advice, hit subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications. We're just getting started and you don't want to miss out. Let me know in the comments what topics you want us to cover next, from deep dives into passive income to the best ways to invest in a recession. Remember, no one's going to build your wealth for you. Stay sharp, stay focused, and keep hustling.